Exceptional nice place to stay. Exceptional nice place to stay. The best kakurangan nya hanya di TV Asia BLM Netflix TP overall Karen untuk stay SM Group YG 2-bedroom, Heart. Exceptional good location and close to Gambir Station. Exceptional strategic location, and close Gambir Station. Good keep it that way. Exceptional H. Good service, the staff very friendly and helpful. Rooms big and spacious. Bersih, P Lion and Super Rumah, recommended. Hotel pet friendly YG bakal bikin kita balik lagi. Meskipun area inabil di batasi tapi it's okay karena inabil saya type panting. I sang lihat di YouTube reviewnya bagus dan benar tu puas. Untuk cleaning fee YG bawa inabil kena charge plus 500 bay. Detail ini harus di-info jelas supaya banyak dog lovers lainnya jadi saat check-in di Fraser. I'm a happy customer, thank you so much. Bakal balik lagi fix. I like it very spices room. Comfy room very comfy, clean, tools for cooking very complete. Great for family. Facilitas Hotel Sangat Lengkap untuk kami keluarga dengan enak tu. Peralatan dapur lengkap, bahan bisa kusi baju dengan mesin kusi yang lengkap dengan penggeraknya. Fraser sudah menjadi hotel favorite kami, karena sudah beberapa kali menginap di sini. Amazing. Stayed in a large 2-bedroom apt on 7th floor, street view, large beds. Clean, pleasant place to stay, well maintained, good facilities. Centrally located and very strategic. Well priced for such benefit. Indo menu from the restaurant are quite good. The only minor thing is that laundry machine doesn't dry well, despite being fixed by maintenance officer. But it is close to surrounding laundry places. We will come back here. So comfortable and luxury. I had a wonderful stay with comfort best staff. 3-bedroom premier review. Apartment was spacious with 3 BR and 3 bathroom and facilities are complete. Front office, housekeeping, restaurant and other staff are very polite. Thank you very much. Amazing getaway, simply amazing. We'll come back when in Jakarta.